Welcome back to the channel. If you want to create this eye-catching sequin effect inside Adobe Illustrator without any plugins, in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact technique to create ultra-realistic sequins for text, logos, and fashion designs. Let's get started. Start by grabbing the ellipse tool and holding Shift to draw a perfect circle. This will be our sequin base. Next, select the polygon tool and draw a small polygon inside the circle. This adds that geometric sparkle detail that many sequins have. Next, select the line segment tool and draw lines inside the circle, crossing the center of the polygon. This gives the sequin an engraved center look. Then, select the Shape Builder tool to remove the lines inside the polygon. Select everything, go to Pathfinder, and choose Divide. Every sequin needs a middle hole. Draw a smaller circle, center it using the Align panel. Select everything, then use the Shape Builder tool to delete the intersection of the circle. This creates the central hole that sequins usually have. Using the eyedropper tool, I filled the colors into these shapes. I chose a brown color and made a swatch ranging from shade to tint. Simply pick a base color, then create a version that's 10 to 20% lighter to build your swatch. Select and delete the inner circle border. Next, I chose the darker shade and copied its color code. Then I selected all the shapes and applied that code to create a consistent brown outline. Reduce its size, then create a new brush by going to the Brush panel and choosing Pattern Brush. Here, choose Auto Overlap, and in the Colorizing section, select Tints and Shades. This is important. Otherwise, you won't be able to change the color later. And hit OK. Use the Pen tool to draw a line just to check the result. Notice that since the outline is brown, it automatically adapts to the border color. Changing the color is now very easy. Now I'll give you some tips.
Tip 1.
Applying a sequin to artwork with lots of curves can sometimes stretch sharp corners. You can fix this by selecting points and adjusting them with the curvature tool.
Tip 2.
If a pattern stretches when applied, don't worry. Just scale it down, and it will look perfect. And that's how you create realistic sequins in Adobe Illustrator, completely scalable, editable, and ready for print or social media. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more design tricks, and comment below what effect you want next.